Hey guys, a very good evening and welcome to our channel. There is an update for students of Tripura NEET UG 2021 that if you log in to dme.tripura.gov.in, then the following interface will appear. On the left hand side, you will get a new notice that has been released for NEET UG 2021 counseling for Tripura students. The notice reads, or it invites the allocation of Mbbs and BDS seats from the central pool for spouse and children of terrorist victims for the academic year 2021 to 2022. So get yourself registered on or before 18th of November for the necessary verification and authentication of your requisite documents under this reservation. So yeah, all the best for your future endeavors, and stay tuned with the channel for further NEET and ICAR related updates, and do subscribe the channel. Thank you. One more information that that this PDF, okay, related to this notice has been uploaded in the Telegram channel given in the description, so you can go and check out this PDF, which mentions all the requisite documents and their formats and the eligibility for under this category. So you can just check out the entire information from the PDF itself, which has been uploaded in the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box below.